Okay, hey guys, Vlogmas day. What did this be? One of the days of Vlogmas.
4?
4?
Our Vlogmas day 4.
4. Kristen's getting her boots on. I have my boots on because there's a ton of snow outside.
It snowed so much outside. Why is it on me?
Because I was just showing them you were doing your boots up.
Put it on you, your beautiful face.
Look how much snow, guys. And that's like after we've already shoveled, what, twice? It's crazy.
You videotaped it a little last night,
Yeah.
We should show. This is what it looked like last night.
Oh boy. Just a little bit of snow?
Just a sprinkle. Oh!
Oh, hi Kyle. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is his favorite game.
Ready?
What do you think, Jimmy? What do you think, buddy? Eating the snow, eh? Thirsty?
It's so cold. You're gonna get so cold.
This is nuts.
Can they tell how much it is?
Okay, can you guys tell how much it is?
I think you got back before. Well, I guess.
Yeah, I got back just in time to help shovel. Yay! Wonderful.
Yeah, you're doing a really great job.
Thank you. I'm a good supervisor. Lift with your, and we're gonna have to shovel again when we get back. But you know what? It's beautiful. And so today I think we're just gonna do some errands in town. We have to drop some stuff off at the post office, pick up a few things, hopefully your phone.
Errand day.
Finally. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. That
We're
not even gonna get started on that because Kristen will go on and on. Like, it's been an issue, a very valid issue
not
for
go
you.
on and on. I'm over it.
Yeah, let's hope. Fingers crossed we'll let you know if we get the phone. And I think we might even try to fly a little drone today.
We have to. We have to. Like, I think it was like 2 or something weeks ago. We had like a beautiful, beautiful snow day,
Yeah.
and the roads and the trees. Like, it looked fake. And I was like, okay, we have to take the drone out. But then I had like a 2-hour window that it wasn't snowing and it still wasn't melting. And I didn't get out there. And then I had serious regret. So
we're gonna do it today, and it's gonna look awesome. So then you can kind of see what we drive into town. Like, I guess it's like we'll put you in our eyes. Oh no, that seems creepy.
Well,
what did they say when you bring them along for the ride? But like, you see what we see.
you're gonna be us.
No. Anyways, you'll see how pretty that is, and
I look like a tiny little head. In
yeah, you do. I love the scarf, and I'm not wearing any. I feel like I have a long neck, and you have
You're
a
gonna
beautiful.
get cold. You need a scarf.
No, I have mitts. Getting good.
Oh, and we have to stop at the mailbox.
Okay, it's done. Let's go.
Shovel before people get home.
Oh, I think people might beat us home today if we help with delivery.
I can be your hero, baby.
You gonna clean it for me, babe?
I can wash you away. While you put on your seat warmer, I can take the snow away.
That was beautiful. Extendo arm. All right, car number 2. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna come up with a good plan.
Should I lead the way maybe? Because I have the boots on? Would that be easier? And then you follow my footsteps? This is already cleared out yesterday.
I'm going for it. Oh.
Did you bring extra socks? Here I come to save the day. Woo! Let's do this, girl.
Please no jokes about the fact that we have matching snow brushes. We
Yeah.
get it. We're very domesticated at this stage in life.
Yeah, and your parents got them both for us and they're amazing.
This is what we used to have. If this is not gonna, it's not gonna cut it, so.
There you go. My hands are freezing. I gotta put my gloves on. I don't want it to go on my boots. A little bit of snow. Hopefully we can get her out of here.
It'll be fine. This truck is in a lot better shape than my car. The old igloo car over there.
Remember it last year, Chris?
Yeah.
Toodaloo.
4-wheel drive. And we're good. Whew. Sometimes getting over that big hill that the snowplow leaves can be intense, but no probs. Okay, now I gotta see what she's doing. We don't really know what we're doing right now, to be perfectly honest. We're just trying to make room for the driveway guy. So anyway, BRB. Just pull it where he stops there, like right after our driveway. Just leave it by that big snow pile.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay. Basically, we're just trying to make room for the guy who comes and plows our driveway. So it's always like a puzzle. Where do we put the cars so that it can get fully plowed? Anyway, cool story, Kristen.
I almost fell.
Slippery?
No, I'm just stuck.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this.
Oh, sweet.
Seatbelt? Oh yeah, I got that for you.
Thanks, son.
As we continue with your annual Moose FM Kids Christmas Wish Radio-thon.
An hour on for miles just to get it today.
Okay. Need my credit card. And, okay. Where did my girlfriend go? What do I need money for?
Did you want to buy something?
No. Just picking up my phone. Why? Was I supposed to?
You said you wanted to buy something.
No.
Oh gosh, it's freezing.
We're back at Shoppers Drug Mart.
We love it. Big fans.
Also,
What?
don't mind whatever I have going on my face.
I have one too.
Oh, not like this. This is so bad.
Oh my goodness.
Must be just the stress of the holidays.
Yeah, it's so
Slash, I
stressful.
have my period.
What did you get?
I got a new phone because this phone works when she wants, you know, and I want one that'll work like all the time, or at least most of the time.
You got the Big Daddy.
Oh, she is a big daddy. Look at the size of this thing. I've had that phone for 3 years. That's a long time for me to not break something. Stay tuned.
Seriously.
It's massive. Is that the color that I ordered?
That's rose gold.
Yeah, I ordered regular, but
You know what? You're gonna
honestly,
embrace
at
it.
this point, yeah, it's like,
We could be phone twins, minus mine's like 5 inches smaller.
it is. It's for sure the pink one. Whatever.
We had to try these.
We had to try these?
We had to try these. Pretty tasty. Definitely got me with the hot chocolate flavor and the limited edition, and we're probably gonna need another bag.
It kind of tastes like regular, doesn't it?
No, it's chocolate and
I mean, it
vanilla.
looks like it, but I don't know if it tastes like it.
Get out of here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I have to cover this.
Oh my god.
It's like,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
my chin pimple is growing arms and legs.
Oh my god.
It's the size of my face.
Who's dramatic today? You're dramatic.
Okay, but anyways.
Before she turned on the camera, she's like, oh my god.
It's so bad.
Oh my god.
Oh, whatever. Okay, so.
Oh my god. We're going to the gym.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You ever do that when you hop in and it's like really cold and then you're.
Stop! You just like mid talk and you're like, you ever do that? And you know, oh my gosh, I hate when that happens.
Okay, so, but do you guys ever know when you get into your car and you're like, oh my gosh, it's so cold, so you turn everything on full blast and before you know it, you're sweating and you can't wait to get out and you need fresh air? Anyway, that's me pretty much every time I drive.
I was gonna say, you do that if the windows are open 2 seconds later and
Yeah.
I'm freezing and you're like,
Okay.
oh my god.
Okay, I've had enough of you. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Start again. Go back.
Oh boy. I think I only packed one shoe. How do you do that?
You don't have any other shoes?
Why would I have more than one pair of shoes?
I don't know.
Maybe they're in your car. Got 2 shoes. Got 2 shoes.
She didn't see the camera pointed like directly on her recording.
I looked around the corner in the changing room because I was like, she's gonna try to probably scare me. And I was like, what should I hear? I'm like,
This music is gonna be loud. Sorry. Ready?
just watching a little skin. I feel like we've been pretty go today.
The snow makes me so happy. Like,
So nice.
probably in a month, it's gonna make me not at all happy. But right now, happy days.
It is. It's because it's Christmas.
Okay, now we just gotta go help out at my mom's store. And I'm thirsty. Can you open that for me? Thanks. Okay.
How am I supposed to do this?
Seatbelt. Open it for me. Please. Or drink it for me.
I just made it so it wouldn't spill on you. Oh, I'm so thoughtful. Thirsty. So we just listened to the weather update, and the other lady just casually said we're supposed to get another 5 to 10 centimeters tonight and another 5 to 10 centimeters tomorrow, and possible we have a snow squall warning right now. Chris, how many times can you say snow squalls?
Shut up.
Chris had like a radio job one summer, or summer, I guess would it be the summer?
Well, it was in the summer, but they got me to come in one of the days in the winter to do the weather.
Okay, that's why, because I was like, why would you say snow squalls in the summer?
Yeah.
But I guess she had to do the winter report, and long story short is, I guess everyone chirped because she's had to say snow squalls, what, like
50 times. Like, I had to say the weather because it was like a warning. So every like 15 minutes, literally, I was like, hi, Kristen here, and watch out for the snow squalls.
Alright, give us a rendition of what she said, Chris, real quick.
Everyone just be extra careful out there today. It might look good right now, but snow squalls will be rolling in shortly.
Be careful.
Hug your loved one.
Yeah, you do have a face for radio, so you're perfect, honey. Love you. Oh, my finger was in the way.
Those fingers are always in the way.
Yep, chubbos.
Sausage fingers. Mother.
Oh, hello.
How are ya? Good, how are you? Hi, little monster. It's warm in here. Nat, our help is here.
Okay, but Chuck's not here yet,
But just chill now. Okay.
he's not here
Just wait till he gets here?
Okay.
Yeah. How cold is it in here?
That's hot. Usually it's colder than that.
Usually it's colder than that. Great.
Yeah.
Tough shift?
Tough shift. Alright, we have to go home and now shovel and see if the dogs ate the house.
Yeah,
All in a day's work, okay?
I mean, it looks like we worked a really long, tough shift because it was light when we went in and it's dark now. So.
Well, what is this? Welcome to the Lady Gang.
How are you guys? Honestly?
Breaking update. Is that a thing? Breaking update? Breaking news or
Update.
update? I need to get this.
No, not that again.
Breaking update. It's snowing again a lot.
Yeah.
Let's show.
Okay. I don't think they're gonna
Turn
be able
around,
to
camera lady.
I don't think they're gonna be
Yeah,
able
here you go.
to see anything. Here you go.
They can't see?
Oh yeah, you can see it in your lights.
Yeah, okay, but also, it's snowing more than it looks. People. Still doesn't look as snowy.
No, it doesn't even look like it's snowing right now.
It looks so much cooler in real life. Okay, here we go. Let's go, car high beams.
Oh, here's a car.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He's making a turn.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, plow.
Sorry, sir. Okay, here come the high beams again. Can you get it? Can you get all the... No, you can't. I guess it is nighttime. I hear those sleigh bells jingling, ding, ding, ding-a-ling. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I haven't played a single Christmas song this whole vlog. I suck.
Yeah,
So I sang one. It's even better.
Sleigh bells jingling, ding.
Great. We made it. But like, also,
Barely.
I don't want to get out. Oh no, I woke him up. Oh
So anyway, he was sleeping like that for a long time.
It was so funny.
I'm so sad I missed it.
Okay, please. Make room for me. Can I come in?
Looks like we're in like the red light district or something.
Okay, yeah, it looks kind of creepy. The light. Okay. Good night, party people.
Was that your first taste? First taste of your 6th Oreo?
Chris!
Selling you out, eh?
Throw me under the bus. It's my first
All
one.
about honesty these days.
No, it's my first one.